know that you've been doing wrong, you're doing wrong. Tell me that my heart ain't know that you ain't doing wrong, you're doing wrong. 'Cause I'm just so sick of.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to see another video of mine. So today what we're going to be doing is basically jumbo knotless braids today. So this is my first time doing this hairstyle. I'm not an expert. I've definitely never done this before. I've never tried knotless braids, so I'm going to try my best, and you guys are just going to watch me. And it's not necessarily a tutorial, but if you guys do learn something, that's great too. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you the process of how this went for me. One thing I do want to say is if you have someone that can part your hair for you, this will be a lifesaver, because I think the hardest part about these hairstyles, even though it's jumbo braids, it's just so hard to part your hair, especially trying to part the back of your head. I feel like this hairstyle genuinely could have taken me maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours if I didn't have to part my hair by myself. That alone I feel like took an hour, and I had to keep going back in to make sure that it was straight, and I needed like 2 mirrors to get that done. So if you have someone to help you, definitely do that. Makes everything super quick and easy to do. I went in today with my Knotless hair. It's my favorite. I use it in a color 1. I find it's the easiest hair for me to part, and it doesn't create knots at all. And what I do use to make sure that my hair melts right into the braiding hair is my Shine and Jam. This is my holy grail. This is my favorite product. I will not do any kind of braiding style without it. So that's what I used. I literally just used those 2 products. For this style, what you will need, as you see, is a rat tail comb, an edge brush, some moisturizer if you have 4C hair like mine, your braiding hair, some small elastics, and also some sort of rollers for the ends. Even though I guess Coi Leray definitely didn't come up with this hairstyle, it's obviously been done before, but everyone knows this is Coi Leray inspired. So this is my attempt at this hairstyle. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. Thank you so much.